Alright guys, let's say you're stuck in an infinite loop, okay? One thing, now this is going to be a bad example, but it'll demonstrate on what you can do. We're going to introduce something new called the break statement, okay? If C is greater than 5, we can say break. This is what's new right here. Now break, what that does is break out of the nearest loop. Alright, in this case we have a while loop. It's the only loop. It'll just immediately go right outside, go to the next program statement or the next line of code, next block of code, whatever, but it breaks out of this loop, these braces right here. That's what it does. Let's run this real quick. And I don't have that error anymore now. I think the compiler picked up that, oh, there's a break statement right here. Alright, and it terminates. As we can see, it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it terminates because it's checking this if statement within this loop, and it breaks. So, yeah, that's it for this video. This is just a light introduction on when we would use break. Now remember, with a better example, we may have more variables, more conditions. This typically would be a very special case. I'm going to say special case. This is to make it a decent example where it would break. Where if the character hits exit, it'll just break out, regardless what's going on. That's it for this. So if you get yourself into a jam where maybe you make a complex condition that always happens to be true and you didn't quite catch it, you can make a special case that breaks out. And you don't want to really add code to overwrite bad code. You just want to fix it in the first place. Okay. Thank you for watching. Now we're going to move on from the while loop. Actually, the while loop's going to stay with us forever, but we're going to move on.